Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by verifying prerequisites. Update your device and sign into the same Apple ID so data syncs. Once done, enable iCloud photos to keep originals and edits consistent across devices. This avoids mismatched smart results. Next, explicitly switch on Apple Intelligence in Photos settings so the system can analyze content. Do this now because analysis runs only after enabling. Without it, you won't get scene descriptions, smart albums, or editing suggestions. Make sure battery and Wi-Fi are stable during the initial indexing. Once indexing begins, let your device finish analysis. Large libraries take longer, so be patient. As Photos tags faces, scenes, and objects, use smart albums and scene filters to surface similar images. This speeds search and curation. Make selective edits and accept suggested adjustments. Every manual choice teaches the model what you prefer. Add keywords and captions to improve recall and group people to refine face recognition. If you sync multiple devices, make sure they all finish indexing so everyone sees consistent organization. Finish by refining results and exporting what you need. Export edited or original files when sharing. Choose format and size so recipients see intended quality. To improve accuracy, correct misidentified people, merge duplicates, and add captions. This recalibrates future suggestions. If something breaks, toggle Apple Intelligence off and on, then force a reindex by quitting Photos and restarting your device. That often resolves stuck analysis. Lastly, check iCloud storage and network. Indexing stalls without sufficient space or a stable connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.